At 8:06, we are continuing to follow this developing news. The lawmaker who defeated Congressman Mark Sanford in South Carolina, she was seriously injured in a car crash. This is Katie Arrington, currently a Republican nominee for Congress. She was a passenger in a car when another vehicle traveling the wrong way struck her car. Sheriff's officials say the wrong way driver died. We don't know that person's identity. However, Arrington's official Twitter page has been detailing all of her injuries, and they are very serious. She sustained a fracture in her back, several broken ribs. She already had to undergo major surgery with more surgeries on the way. The main artery in her legs has a partial collapse, and it's likely that she will be in the hospital for the next 2 weeks. Mary?